आणि फुडल्या 15 दिसाच्या भितर हाजो रिपोर्ट जो आमच्या तिनूय डिपार्टमेंटा कडल्यान सबमीट करपाक जाय तोय आमी पब्लिका खातीर दितले आणि ताज्या उपरांत तुमची आनीकूय कितें सजेशन्स आसत जाल्यार त्या रिपोर्टाचेरूय तुमी धाडची. इम्प्लिमेंटेशनूय म्हाजें तर म्हणणें आहा की फ्रॉम द 1st ऑफ डिसेंबर आमी हेजे जाता तें इम्प्लिमेंटेशन जें आहा तें करपाकूय सुरवात करतले.
एक्सिडेंट कित्याक जाता हेची जाणवाय घेवपाक जे ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स म्हण आसता परत परत थिंगा एक्सिडेंट जावप कित्याक जाता आमी आयडेंटिफाय ऑलरेडी केल्ले आसा. सायनेजीस खूंय ना थिंगा घालपाक आमी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा. हे काम बेगीनचे बेगीन जातलें.
It has become very difficult to acquire land for increasing or decreasing or realigning the width and the alignment of the road. So with the help of the civil society, we ourselves will be involved. We will share with you all this list, and maybe with your help, we will be able to convince some people to give part of their land, so that we can take care of this black spots which have been identified.
So whenever you have your political rallies, please tell your people to follow the traffic rules, that by wearing the helmets and not standing on top of vehicles, because it gives a very, very wrong impression that there are two sets of rules, one for the politicians and one for the people.